Hi, what's up? If you don't know me, hi, my name is Mansi More. I'm an AI engineer and a friend or a guide for next 1 hour for you guys. Here I am back with the Google Cloud workshop where we will be building with the chatbot or AI conversational bot with Google Cloud platform. Before like introducing about the chatbot and Google tools, like I mentioned in the description, yeah, we have mentioned that no coding experience required. Yep. So we don't need any coding experience, or you don't have to familiarize with the front end or back end technologies here. You can make your AI agents or AI bot within using few Google tools. So before starting the presentation, thank you everyone for being here. I really appreciate your presence. And Yep, let me introduce about myself in brief. My name is Mansi More again, and I'm a speaker at AI Tech events in San Francisco. I or conduct workshops on building AI tools or AI agents on different new AI platforms and different cloud platforms. I I also write blogs on latest AI technologies, and you can find me in any of the tech events, either like volunteering it or showcasing my demo projects or eating snacks in the corner. If you have any project idea in your mind and you want to collaborate on that project, here is my LinkedIn, my Medium, and my Twitter, my GitHub. Let's connect, talk about our project, and like we can go ahead with the project process. And yes, let's start with the workshop and moving on to the today's agenda of the workshop. This will be the hands-on session. We will be starting with the creation of Google Cloud Platform account, where you will get 90 days of free trial. And if you already have an account on GCP, don't worry. Vertex AI already give 1 year of validity period for Vertex AI, Google Platform, and Agent Builder. So, Agent Builder is the platform where we'll be creating an application for the chatbot. Then we will feed the training data to the chatbot. And again, if you have any specific data set in your mind for your project, feel free to use that. Otherwise, we have data set with us. We can provide that data set to you guys. Then we'll move forward to the simulation and testing, and will we end up with the deployment of the chatbot on the website. Yes, again, if you have your specific website, you can deploy that chatbot on your website, or else I have like template sample website, and we can go ahead with that. Yep. Okay, I cannot go ahead. Why? Let's start with the highlight of the workshop. Google. Yes, there are few tools which with by using those we can build an AI conversational bot or AI agent. Google AI Studio. Let's start with the AI Studio. So it is a web-based platform that provides a streamlined environment for developers, for engineers, non-engineers to experiment with and build applications using Google's first-party AI models, which is Vertex AI. So Vertex AI is a machine learning platform that enables user to build or deploy, manage all machine learning models and AI applications. Uh, it seems very technical, right? These are the tools: Agent Builder, Dialogflow, CX are the main tools which we will be using in our chatbot. And let's just not talk about technical things. Let me explain about these two tools in very short. So, Agent Builder is a AI tool, Vertex AI tool, where we will build our chatbot, and Dialogflow CX is a platform where we will design our chatbot. So it's nothing but front end and back end of the Google Cloud platform. Yes, this will be the sample website. You can deploy the chatbot on any of your website. So this will be our bot, and it will be in a corner icon. And these are like few of the examples. So I built her guide chatbot for the She Connect website, which empowers women entrepreneurs. And again, one of the attendee from the workshop, she created this website for the traveler, tours and travelers, SK Travel Buddy chatbot. So just like this, if you have your specific website, you feel free to do that, build the chatbot on it, deploy on it, and feel free to share the link of your project. I would love to see it and give my feedback. So, yes, before moving on, these are the GitHub repo of the chatbot. If you if you want to refer this, it is in detail. But if you want to refer this GitHub repo, feel free to scan the QR code of GitHub and the article which I wrote about this Google Cloud platform and chatbot or Vertex AI, and it's in detail. So feel free to go through it, and I think we should start doing hands-on. So, Mirin, just let me know if you can see my other screen. Yep. So you on the web, you can simply type Google Cloud, and yes, just because this is a hands-on session, so I want to make it interactive. If you have any questions, you can put it in a chat box or feel free to unmute yourself and ask me. So yes, starting with the Google Cloud account, you can just simply type Google Cloud on the web, the link, and you'll end up with this page. Let me just minimize everything. Yes. So you'll end up with this page, and you have to click on a console. So just because I have an account, so I'll see with this. If you don't have an account on GCP, feel free to make any of using any of your Google account, and there will be free trial of 90 days. Feel free to go and apply for the all to get access of all the APIs, and you will be ended up with this page. And if you click on the project tab, which is exactly beside Google Cloud, you will see list of the projects. Just because I made projects, I can see a list of projects. If you haven't made it any, so you can click on new project and make any new project. So here I will continue with the AI project. And you can just type in agent builder in search bar. Yes, I just want to know whether all of you are on the same page so that we can feel free to like go ahead or you can ask questions. You just These are the list of my applications which I have created. If you haven't created anything, you won't be able to see anything. And this is the agent builder. Let me repeat again. GCP, we created an account on GCP. You get access of the Vertex AI and Agent Builder if you register for the trial, or if you already have subscription of it. Well and good. And in search bar, you need to type Agent Builder, and you'll end up with this page. Just give me a thumbs up if we are on the same page. I cannot see thumbs up here. Okay. If you have any questions, you can unmute yourself and talk. Moving on to creating an application. Before creating an app, just because this is a personalized chatbot, so we need to feed training data to our chatbot, right? So we should be ready with the data set first. So here in the search bar, you can just type cloud storage and click on cloud storage. We are going to create a bucket, which means we will store our data, which we are going to feed it to the data set or to the chatbot. So we're going to go and click on create bucket. feel free to give any of the name. So here, I am going to create a website or a chatbot for the skincare products, the any random sample skincare website. And people are, busy nowadays, and they don't have time to see YouTube tutorials for the skincare or homemade tips for the skincare. So that's what we're gonna do today. This will be the database. So skin, no. Let's name it as a Skin Savvy DB. You're gonna hit on continue. Oh, no uppercase. Continue. Make sure that you have chosen multi-region so that everybody you can get access of all the data sets here. Continue, continue, and create. So we have created our bucket here in cloud storage to store our data set. Again, if you have data set in with you any specific, you can feel free to upload it here. But for now, don't upload other files which are more than 30 or 10 MB because it will take time to upload it on a cloud. So you can upload any for file formats like document, pdf, html. Feel free to upload it here. So I already downloaded few of the PDF format files from the web which are related to skincare. So one is from the 11 easy skincare tips, second is DIY recipes, skin recipes, and how to get clear skin at home. So I'm gonna upload all the files here. And Marian, I just want to make sure, did you get my email? Because um I've sent you the dataset and link of Medium, GitHub, and everything. So you can feel free to go and upload it in a chat box.
Okay, what do you want me to do?
The dataset link which I've sent you on email, you can upload it on the chat box. Did you get an email?
Let me see. Yes. Wait. No, when did you send it?
Oh.
Can you put it here?
No, I didn't put it here, but let me check it again. I will send it to you. I can.
Do you want me to do you want to just copy paste it here?
Oh yeah, I can do that.
Yeah, that might be easier.
Yep. So these are the links for the GitHub and article of the project. And this is the drive link where you can find dataset file and even sample code of the website. Let me know if you have access for that. And I haven't shared my screen, so let me share it again. I hope we all are on the same page. So first we created an account on Vertex AI on AI projects. So this is a project name. You can give any project name and start with a new project. If you don't have any project, you won't be able to access anything here. You need to search for the Google storage in the search bar. You need to create a new bucket here, and after creating a bucket, you will be able to see this. So I uploaded the few files, PDF format files for my data. Again, if you have big project, you can upload big, huge, large scale data amount of data here, data set here. But just because this is a hands-on and we are just doing it for the sample website, we can put a minimum size of the files. So here I have put 5, 7 and 4 MB file. So now we are ready with our data set, and we have to create an application for the chatbot where we can feed this training data to it. So let's just go in a search bar and type for agent builder. Like I mentioned, this is time. It is a time to create a chatbot. Yep. Again, I have created few chatbots, so that's why I can see list here. Go ahead and hit on create app, and you need to scroll down a little bit, and yes, you can see conversation agents here. So conversational agents and chat. So conversation agent is to create an AI agents, and chat is to create a chatbot. So today we're gonna create a chatbot. So click on chat. Any company name you can give, like skin care. Agent name will be Skin Savvy, which will know everything about our skin routine and our home bed recipes. And don't forget to select multi-region so that you will be able to merge your data set and the chatbot. So yes, again I'll repeat: company name, any company name you want to give. Agent name, this is important because this will come on your chatbot. Location, don't forget to click on multi-region and go ahead and continue. Yes, now yes, I already have listed a few of the data stores, but you won't be able to see anything here because you are creating it for the first time. So go ahead and click on create data store, and just let me know if we are going fast. We can like slow down. So these are the three options to put our data source in our chatbot: website content, cloud storage, API. Website content, it's again, we can like automatically crawl the public websites by using URL. Cloud storage is whatever we have imported in our storage bucket, we can import it here. And API is just we can import data or API manually. Oh, I can see the questions in chat box. Can you repeat after uploading files? Sure, I can repeat it again. And what's the difference between conversation agent and chatbot again? Yes. So, chatbot will you will see and bot symbol or bot icon here in the right bottom section. When you visit any website, you can see the icon in the right bottom corner, right, where you can ask any questions related to the website. So that is nothing but chatbot. And agent is on the website itself. You can, you have the option uh, to to do multitasking jobs by using that agent. So that is a difference in between them. Multi-region, yes, there are two things you need to select: global and multi-region. So for that, you need to select the the multi-region option. And for cyanide, yes, can you repeat? I can repeat it for you. So in search bar, I went to cloud storage. We created uh, the bucket. After creating a bucket, we uploaded few of the files here. You will be able to see, if you like click on this, you'll be able to see the files you have uploaded. If it is a huge size of the file, it will take time to get upload. So you need to like wait for some time to file for files to get upload on it. After that, this is the cloud storage thing, which we feed the data to the to which we're gonna feed the data to the chatbot. And again, next thing was agent builder. We went on the agent builder. We created an app. Again, agent, chatbot. Now we are creating a chatbot. So create chat. Your company name, any company name you want to give. Your Agent name. Here, location type will be multi-agent. Continue. This is the page where you're gonna feed the data set or your specific training data to the chatbot. So this is the page where you're gonna create data store and feed data set. This is too fast. Can you please slow down? Sure, Sana, I can slow down. You can just let me know on which step you are right now, so I can be on that page. This is a hands-on session, so feel free to talk about the issues you guys are facing. Yes, it is recorded and we can keep going because we have less time. We are running out of time. So, yes, I assume that you guys have created an app on Agent Builder. Now it is time to feed our training data. So yes, creating a data store. Again, website content, cloud storage, API. Website content is you can like put URL for the data set or any of the file from the web from the Google. Cloud storage where we imported our data, we're gonna choose this option. And the last option was API. You can just import data manually by calling an API. So we're gonna select cloud storage. Yes, if you uploaded a folder, you can select folder. If file, then file. We have to go in browse. These are the list of data sets which I give to my GCP account. If you are doing it for the first time, you will be able to see only one data store or bucket here. If you can't see the data bucket, which means you haven't created it, you have to go back on cloud storage, create a bucket, and I'm sorry. Somebody unmuted them.
Go ahead, Mansi.
Sure. So if you haven't seen the bucket store or any of the name here, which means you haven't created the data store, you can go and create a bucket. You can put your training data in that bucket, and you can see your name of the data sets. So I created skincare DB. So I'm gonna go and select that and continue. Enter data store name, anything you can give. Yes. On create data store or in on data store page, you will be able to see your data set which you have uploaded, and you're gonna hit on create. Answer for Kelly's question: yes, you can add web content data from Kaggle, but make sure you are uploading an URL or either API or URL. Apart from that, you can import this as by this method which we are doing right now. So you're gonna click on data store. So this is the training data which we feed our chatbot. So let me repeat the steps. These are the apps here. Skin Savvy. So this was my chatbot's name. You will be able to see your chatbot name here. Data stores. This will be the process. This will be the method where you're gonna feed the training data to your chatbot. Yes, skincare data store, which was my name, data store name. So this is the processing data. You can see your data is getting uploaded. Why I said in the starting that just upload the don't upload large scale amount of data, because here while feeding a training data set to bot, it takes a lot of time. So you can check in activity also. It is the import is in progress, and it will be done in 4 or 5 minutes if you have uploaded small size of data. Just because this is a hands-on session, so I will wait for all of you guys to of your data will also get uploaded here. So let's just wait until that time. We can see the questions. Feel free to ask questions in chat box. And let me know if you're on the same page. If not, then I can like let you know where you are going wrong and where we need to go further. Just give me thumbs up in chat box if you are also on the same page. I just want to make sure that we are going in sequence. Okay, so in how do we get a data? So in chat box, I uploaded one link for the Google Drive where I have uploaded a data set, sample data sets, and sample website code as well. So if you don't have any specific data set in your mind, you feel free to go to that Drive link and fetch the data from there. So the data set is nothing but for the skincare. So I thought that people nowadays are so busy and they don't have time to see YouTube tutorials and go through the documents and consult a doctor for their skin. So we need to follow some few steps at home, so we can like make a chatbot. We are making a chatbot here which will give you suggestions on like day-to-day routines for your skin. Not sure what you're building. Skin skin is interesting. Thank you, Kelly. Yes, Sayana. You can see only three PDF. Why? Because this is a hands-on session, and you can see even though those are three PDF, but still it's taking time to upload on cloud because we are feeding a training data, right? That too on a cloud. So we need to wait for dataset to get upload. If you have a big project and you have large scale amount of files, so it will take maybe few hours of time to get uploaded. So that's why three files, that too of one or till 5 to 6 MB. I can see questions, more questions. Dataset is in the chatbot Google Drive link. So I uploaded three links and are on in chat box. First was Medium article link of this project. Second was GitHub project link. Third was the Google Drive link. In that you'll be able to see two folders. First is for data. Second is for the code of the sample website. I hope you got the data set. And meanwhile, let's wait. Let's wait for the data to process on the website. Sana is asking data folder has only three PDF. Is that all? Yes, like I mentioned, this is just a sample data set or a sample website. If you have any specific project idea, feel free to use that data set. But again, it will take time to upload it. Here we have like only three files, still it is taking time to upload on the cloud. So that's the reason why we have only three PDF files. And it's it's not like you can use only PDF format. You can use .pdf, .doc, .html, and .pptx. Meanwhile, let me show you guys the QR code for the GitHub and article. Feel free to go through it. And meanwhile, you can check uh, your data that has been uploaded on the cloud or not. I just want uh, I just want to know from all of you guys, what are you building on? What are you making? Which chatbot idea you have in your mind and you're working on? Or you're just going with a sample data set? What do you have idea about chatbot? What do you think about it? Article QR code is expired. Oh, okay. So you can in a chat box I've posted article link as well. So feel free to go and wait a minute. Let me just put it again. So these are the three links. First is the article link. Yes. These are the three links. First is for article for the same project. Second is the GitHub, and the third one is for the Google Drive, where you can find data sets and sample code. I haven't shared my screen. Okay, so David is saying, can you give a quick explanation of how to make the chatbot and deploy it on our website? Okay, David, I just want one confirmation from you. Did you follow me till now, or you want me to repeat the process? Yes, did you follow me till now? I mean, yes, for what? Okay, cool. Yes. So I can show you guys the example of. Hey, there we go. So data has been uploaded um, in skincare data store, which was the data store of our chatbot. So yes, if you click on if you click on apps, you'll be able to see the your application here. So my application name was Skin Savvy. Just go ahead and click on it. Yes, now you'll able to see the dialog flow CX box, which is nothing but which like I mentioned before, this is nothing but a front end of our chatbot. This is the platform where we will design our chatbot. So let's just go ahead and see. Let's say hi. See, it is responding. But let me ask one question. Oopsie. An AI assistant cannot only assist you with the company website. This is happening why? Because we haven't add any LLM to it. So let's just go ahead and add a generative AI and large language model just to get a proper response from the chatbot, and even the training data which we fed to the chatbot, we will get the accurate answers of on it. So you can see settings here. You need to click on the settings. So yeah, this is generative AI. You can go through and check all the options we have here. In default, you need to click on example. So it will give you example, like if chatbot don't have any answers for any of your questions, it will give you a proper template format. You can edit this format. So here you can go and edit the format. I want to keep as it is, so example. So if you go ahead a little bit, Mm, This is a speech and IVR. You can use any of the language and voice name. UI setting, so you'll be able to see how your chatbot is look like, and you can like give any title bar. You can change the font. You can see the color, background color, and agent response. Everything here. Security purpose, if you want to add any filter or any permissions for your agent, feel free to add it. So this is the generative AI. So this is a playbook, general playbook and data store. So let me repeat it again. We went on a settings. In settings, you'll be able to see a lot of options. So in UI settings, you'll be able to edit your chatbot as per your requirement. If you want to give any background color, if you want to give any font or URL or any text color, feel free to add that. If you come here on generative AI, you in playbook, general playbook and data store, in playbook you'll able to see the options for to select a generative model. This is the option where we're going to feed LLM to our chatbot to get a proper response, even for the other things as well as for the on the data set which we have provided. So if we go ahead and feel free to choose any of the model. We can see only few model names here because these are the only available. Give me a moment. Yep. So these are the only available apps you can see. Yes, we have selected the LLM. Why it's echoing? Okay. Yeah, so we were on a LLM. So we select a model to test. Now we're gonna deploy it and we're gonna custom our AI agent. We selected, let's select Gemini 2.0 Flash O1, and you're gonna go and hit save. Yes, now let's check the responses from our chatbot. Again, same question. Come on, come on, come on, come on. Okay, maybe we haven't uploaded it here. Oh, apart from playbook, you have to go to data store. If you scroll down a little bit, you'll able to see the agent name and your company name and agent identity. There you're gonna see the option data store model selection. So which this model, this option which I selected, that was for the model to test or AI agent to test. This is for the chatbot to test. So data store model selection. So you're gonna select any of this and hit save. And let's ask the same question again. I hope this time it will give answer. Oh, interesting. Why? Asian settings updated. So we went in a settings, we went in a generative AI, data store. We're gonna go and select the data store model selection here. We're gonna hit on save. Agent setting updated. Now let's start. I think my subscription gets ended. Okay, for you to show you guys, I can show you the sample because I've worked on different more than three chatbots, so maybe my subscription gets ended. Okay, same task for you guys. Click on settings, go on generative AI, click on data store. If you scroll a little bit, you'll able to see data store model selection. You're gonna select LLM, whichever you want. We can see only few options because these are the free Gemini models available right now. And go and hit on save. I'm not able to see the response from the chatbot because I created like more than 4 or 5 chatbots here. So my subscription might get ended. So let me know in chatbot if you also are facing the same issue. I'm gonna tell you how we're gonna deploy the chatbot on specific website. I cannot see the comments in chat box. Interesting. It was working before. Feel free to put the comments if you are also facing the same issue, or you will be able to see the responses from the chatbot because you are creating it for the first time. So let me know if what is the status on what page you guys are right now, and if you need any help on the same process, I'll be able to help. Let's see the comments.
Recording in progress.
Okay, so I can see Ash comment. Did you deploy after the config? I can still hear echo sound. Yes, I can see only one comment. Feel free to let me know if you're facing the same issue or you're on the same page because we are on the step of deploying a chatbot. Here I'm not seeing any responses because my subscription got ended and it ends today, I guess. I cannot see the comments in the chat box. Okay, so Saina is asking, how did you open this? So this is the prompts and the expected responses. Here I'm not getting responses because I created more than 4 chatbots before on the same Google account. If you are facing the same issue, you can go ahead and open the Google account, the Google Cloud Platform account using different Google account, where you will be able to get a free trial for 90 days. Here, just because we are running out of time, so I'm gonna show you guys quickly how we're gonna deploy the chatbot on the specific website. So if you are creating and this is your first chatbot, if you select, uh, if you go in settings, generative AI, if you select any data store model LLM for your chatbot and save it, you'll be able to see the responses here. After this, just give me thumbs up if you can see if your chatbot is like responding properly. After that, now it's a deployment stage. So we're gonna click, there are options, and besides setting option, there is one more option, publish agent. So we're gonna go and hit the publish agent. And yes, this is the code for your chatbot, the chatbots which you have created, and the training data, and all the data set which you have feed to the chatbot, you'll be able to see here. And yes, you can go and click on try it now. So this is the bot icon, you can see in the right bottom. If you click on it and if you ask questions to the chatbot, it will give you. Again, I'm not able to see any responses from the bot. You will be able to see the responses, and this is nothing but a sample bot icon. If you want as it is like this, go and click on done. Now you can copy the chatbot code. So the link which I have provided, Google Drive link, in that you can see one more folder, code folder. So if you go and open the code, you'll be able to see two files. One is for the main.py, one is for the index.html. In the index.html, where you're gonna put your chatbot code. So let's see. Yep, here we go. Again, I have uploaded three links in Chatbox. First was for Medium article of the same project. Second was for GitHub, and third was for the Google Drive, where you can see the dataset folder and code folder. So this code is nothing but a sample website where you're gonna deploy your chatbot. And yes, you're able to see. Yes, you're able to see the sample code here, and I put three gaps here in between 31 line to 58 line. You can just copy paste your chatbot code here. Again, I'll repeat, if we are going fast, just let me know. We went here beside setting option, we have publish agent option. We're going to copy the code. I'm going to paste it here from 31 line to the 58 line. I'm going to save this, and if you have main.py file in your on your folder, then you'll able to see this. Here we go. So this is a sample skincare website, and this is the bot icon in the right bottom, where you'll be able to see your chatbot, and you can ask any questions you can ask. And the sample questions, specifically sample questions on the training data which you have fed to the chatbot. And yes, I think we are done uploading, like deploying the chatbot on a sample website. I would love to see your sample websites or any specific topic which you are building chatbot on. And you have my LinkedIn and you have my Medium, GitHub. Feel free to text me on LinkedIn. Yes, you have my all the accounts. Feel free to send me the chatbot information or any chatbot GitHub repo link. I will be happy to see the project and provide the feedback.